Of course, as far as offensive action is concerned, the indigenously developed weapons, the indigenously integrated weapons were used, long-range weapons were used with good precision, and PAN front, about 1,200 kilometers of border front, and deep inside enemy territory up to almost 200 plus kilometers inside. We were able to strike. We were able to strike with precision, with minimal collateral, trying our best not to have any casualties from civilian side, and we were able to bring them to their knees in, actually speaking, one night of intensive operations. And the ability of Air Force to be able to deliver this catastrophic firepower, and it has been shown, I think, first time after 1971, and this is something that a nation has not seen in the recent past. And our own motto this year, that has been Achuk, Abhedya, Evam Satik, has been proven in this operation, if I can say. Achuk, जो अपने मिशन से कभी चूकता नहीं है, जो अभेद्य, impervious, जिसको कभी भेदा नहीं जा सकता, और सटीक, the precision which was shown in our strikes, which जिसका सबको पास सबूत है, open source में the satellite images are showing the kind of hits that we were able to achieve. तो ये जो अचूक, अभेद्य और सटीक, हमने अपने आप को एक्चुअली प्रूव किया इस ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में, एंड ये सिर्फ एक इंडियन एयरफोर्स की अचीवमेंट नहीं थी. ऑपरेशन सिंदूर एक और बात में बहुत मान्य रखता है कि हम तीनों सर्विसेज ने एक साथ प्लानिंग करी है, एक साथ एग्जीक्यूशन करा है, और इस मिशन को अंजाम तक पहुंचाया है. तो ये एक बहुत बड़ी बात है जो पहली बार हुई है, जब राइट फ्रॉम प्लानिंग स्टेज तीनों सर्विसेज ने काम एक साथ किया है.